Dealing with leaks, rust, or low pressure, you might just be wondering, should I repair or replace my plumbing system? If your plumbing is old, breaking down often, or showing serious signs of wear, replacement might be the smarter, long-term move. Let's break down how to decide. How old is your plumbing? Different materials have different lifespans. Copper, 50 plus years. PVC could be 25 to 40 years, and galvanized steel is 20 to 50 years. Older pipes, replacement may save you money in the long run. Warning signs you shouldn't ignore: constant leaks, low pressure, discolored or rusty water, strange pipe noises, water damage or mold. If you're ticking more than one of these boxes, it's time to take a closer look. Repair versus replaced cost comparison. When trying to decide whether to repair or replace your pipes, think of the 50% rule. If the repair costs more than half of the replacement, go with the upgrade. $500 repair on aging pipes might not be worth it. $2,000 replacement could save you thousands later. Why replacing can be worth it: cleaner, healthier water, better water pressure, fewer surprise breakdowns, and a higher home value. Still not sure what's best for your home? Whether it's a quick fix or a full upgrade, Affordable Comfort has your back with honest advice and expert plumbing in Ontario. Contact us today to book a professional inspection. We'll help you make the right call.